Welcome to Rajasasila Holistics. Today this episode I am going to explain you about Fehu. Fehu is a rune symbol of abundance. Runes are Gothic letters from old Futhark. So what is rune and what is Fehu? Rune symbol, there are several rune symbols like Unyo, Thila, so many things, each one for one problem. To rectify that problem, people also do rune divination, that I will explain you in some other episode. Subscribe our channel so you can get all the episodes without missing. So make it a point. So coming up again for Fehu, I can explain you in detail. I want to explain that rune is a symbol of abundance, which means cattle. In olden days, cattle was the status symbol. One person has many cattle, so he was considered to be a very rich person. The lesser, the poor. So it happened in the same way. The symbol started getting popularity, and Fehu became the symbol of prosperity, for wealth, prosperity, abundance, and to achieve a goal, job, promotion, for career growth, for everything Fehu is used. These rune symbols work so nicely. By just keeping the symbol, it works. So this Fehu symbol, it has a long line, one line bigger and one line little bit smaller. So this is used for wealth, prosperity, abundance, and also for fertility in people who have fertility issues. They can keep it in their personal room, and also growth in plants, growth in all types of things, even in plants, in human life, wherever you want growth, you keep Fehu. So agriculturists, horticulture, those who are doing home garden, or also you have a outside garden, balcony garden, there also you can keep Fehu, so that you can get the maximum effect. You can also write Fehu on a small piece of rock and keep in each plant one like that. Fehu also brings passion to achieve something. Now I will tell you how you can use it. You can put the symbol of Fehu on your main door to attract luck. You can put Fehu on your checkbook, your account book, on your business place, on your business table, your swipe machine, in your drawer, in your locker. There all you can put Fehu with a pen, with a marker pen, red color you can use, or black color also you can use. And also you can take a yellow paper, write Fehu on it with red or black color, and keep it in your purse or in your wallet, in your handbag, to attract luck. Also you can write, sometimes you don't have all those things with you, but still you want to derive the best out of it. So what you can do, you use your finger as Fehu writing instrument and write on your forehead, to become more attractive in life. You want to go and meet somebody, you are going to a interview, you want that people should notice you, you should be something special there. So write on your forehead Fehu and try. This works very fast, very effective, cheap, best. So if you like this episode, like, share and subscribe our channel.